I have a Gravely 260Z commercial zero turn. The left side quits working after 30 to 45 minutes. After hydraulic oil warms up, I put a brand new pump on the left side and same thing happens in the same amount of time. Then I replaced the left wheel drive motor and the same problem happens in about the same amount of time. The system oil filter has been changed, bleed and up to level in the reservoir. Frankly, I am stumped. The machine runs great until hydraulics warm up and the left side starts a high winding pitch then quits working. Leave it sit for an hour and works good again for another 30 to 40 minutes.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Looking at the hydraulic system, the only difference from the left side and the right side is the left pump feeds the hydraulic control valve and it returns through the pump. If you work the lift control, does it make any difference in the drive? https://www.partstree.com/model/992047 PM260Z Gravely Pro Master 60 0 turn mower 27 horsepower Kohler SN 0015000400/hydraulic diagram 15/.
The left side pump works. The mower deck tried that does not do anything. Did notice the hydraulic moves slow also for raising and lowering the deck. I already paid $15 to get some type of answer from an expert with no real conclusion yet. I don't feel I should pay more for nothing new that has been relayed to this point. I have been working on this problem for a while now. I am mechanically inclined. I own a boat marina and work on boats every day. However, I am reaching out on this one. Do you have a clue to my problem?
We don't need call, that is site, not me. You're losing pressure somewhere and the lift circuit is suspect. Does the lift cylinder hold position? The control valve does not have a hot spot that would indicate internal leakage?
The deck keeps its set position, does not drop or bleed off. Left pump is brand new and left wheel motor. The same thing was happening before I replaced the left side pump, so the old pump was fine. Then I decided to go with changing the left drive motor with the same results. Stumped. It appears this happens after fluid gets hot. I don't see any other type check valve or hider block outside the main pump or drive motor.
Any way to plug the hoses to and from the lift valve for a test?
Do you mean disconnect hose coming from the pump at the lift valve? Supply and return. Do not understand what that will accomplish. Deck raises and lowers slowly but retains set level. Fill me in on this approach, please.
The only thing you haven't changed is the lift valve and lift cylinder, so bypassing the lift cab would be a good test.
Please advise why the lift valve and cylinder would cause this to happen after the oil warms up or the unit has been running for 30 to 40 minutes. There is no oil leaking or bleeding externally. I have another zero turn the same as this one. Do you think I should swap the lift lever mechanism to see if this takes care of the problem? Is there some type of internal bleed that starves the wheel motor when the oil warms up?
Try swapping the valves from one unit to the other, it can't hurt.
Other than that, is there anything else it could be, or are you out of suggestions? It is an apparent hydraulic problem like air in system or something that is dropping pre-assure after oil gets hot. If you can think of anything else, it would be mind settling to say the least. If not, thanks for your input. Obviously, you have never tackled this one before.
All there is the pump and the motor and the hoses, and you have changed both. With no change, it has to be something else causing the loss of pressure.
Obviously, that's why I reached out to you. I will try the lift valve. If that doesn't work, I don't know. Possibly you could ask one of your other colleagues and drop me a line, if you all brainstorm something else. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.